So my best advice is to join as a roto or paint artist in a company, and choose this based upon your skills and interest. If you are serious about your career and if you follow your passion, you will eventually end up in a compositing role in a company. I have many friends who are compositors and they don't have any fancy university degrees and all, but I will not recommend that here. I highly recommend every one of you to take a degree or to get a university degree at any cost, because it really helps in the future. For example, if you are trying for jobs abroad, or if you are doing something related to immigration stuff, degree really helps. And also, if you are interested in some higher positions in a studio, just like head of studio or head of production or something, your education really matters there. Unless all these circumstances, if you are a junior who is trying for a job, your skills and your attitude matters there, and your university degree is just a piece of paper, I would say. But as I told, I highly recommend to get a degree at any cost. I hope this answer is helpful to every one of you. If yes, please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And also, if you have any further questions regarding this, you can mail me at contact@madlookzvfx.com.